I'm so excited to share with you 3 common mistakes that you may make when speaking when English is your second, third, or fourth language. But I am going to share in this very quick video how to fix those common mistakes. If you have never joined me in one of my videos before, and this just fell into your feed, please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any valuable content. My name is Jayne Latz, also known here as the communication trainer and the founder of Corporate Speech Solutions, where it is our goal to help you improve your communication skills so we can transform and empower you during your day-to-day communication. So let's get started with mistake number 1. And that mistake that so many of all of us make, whether English is your first, second, or third language, is speaking too quickly. So what should we do to be clear and articulate? Simply insert a pause. You may have heard me say it before. Even putting a pause between your first name and your last name during an introduction will have a significant impact. People can now actually refer to you by your name. Putting in that pause throughout your conversation will have a significant impact in the delivery of your message. Before I go on to mistake number 2, I want to share with you, so exciting, my free masterclass coming up on August 7th. August 7th is a Monday, and it is at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's called Accent Success: How to Turn Your Communication Skills into a Powerful Tool. In this masterclass, I will be teaching you tips and techniques that will help you reduce or modify your accent and empower you to effectively communicate in any situation. You don't want to miss this free masterclass. By learning those techniques, you will not be frequently asked to repeat what you just said. Oh, and of course, grab the link in the comment section below. I want you to be there, so sign up today. Now let's talk about mistake number 2. Also, whether English is your first, second, third, or fourth language, we have a tendency to swallow the ends of our words. So how do we avoid that? Think in terms of whole word production. Here's an example. If you are saying the word mend, I would like to mend my dress, but I swallow the ends of the word, someone's going to hear men, and then they're going to have to replay the message. Did they say mend or men? Same thing with tree and treat. Are you going to discuss the tree outside or a delicious, yummy treat? By practicing whole word production, your message will be clear. We will eliminate miscommunication, and we will empower you with strong skills. So I have one more commonly shared mistake, also frequent, where we all have this issue at times, not speaking up and projecting your voice. If you are not projecting your voice, no one can understand you, whether you're finishing your whole words, whether you're inserting a pause. If you are not projecting your voice, you won't be heard. So how do we fix that? Breathing. Remember, power comes from our belly, our diaphragm. So practice powering up so you will always be heard. I hope you practice becoming more mindful of these 3 very common mistakes and the simple way to transform yourself into a strong communicator. But if you would like more, please be sure to grab the link below and join me August 7th, Monday, August 7th at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time for Accent Success. You will learn how to turn your communication skills into a powerful tool. I hope you sign up, and I look forward to seeing you there.